everybody! Today, we are playing Chicken Gun. Yeah, his name is like Chicken with Guns. I don't know. Angry Rooster. No, the name should be Pantry. Rooster. There you go. Good. Let's click play. It's loading. I'm gonna select a team. Let's go. Oh, we're in. Okay. We're shooting. What is that? Huggy? I don't know. Fire hose. Bro, it's so laggy. Let's kill that guy. Chicken Eater. I died by. Was killed by Chicken Eater. Yeah. My first kill. My first. No, I was killed by Chicken Eater. Let's go in the other room. That has great internet. Yeah. My hero TV. Yeah. There you go. No. Win. Oh, we won. Okay, another rap. But I gotta. You killed him. What did I just throw? Ooh, nice. I like that guy. Coco. I can throw a smoke grenade. Bro, where are all the red team guys? We're all there. What's the button? I can place things. What's a car? Scar. I can fire guns. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I found Chicken Eater. I'm gonna kill Chicken Eater. Yeah. I'm gonna throw a bomb at you. A bomba. I killed him with a bomb. Okay, hello. Can I go in parachute? Okay, nice. We're just gonna sit here. And let's spawn in a mirror. Too many items. Okay, let's just do that and just place it there. Yeah. It just teleported in the bathroom. What's this? Are these emotes? Oh, we have emotes. Oh yeah. Bro, look at these guys. Look at him. He's blue like a Smurf. Okay. I can change guns. I got a sawed off. If you don't know what a sawed off is, it's a shotgun. Yes, a sawed off is a shotgun. So I have a sawed off. I'm going into battle. Throw that. Yeah. What? Chicken Eater has a good gun. Chicken Eater. Oh, bro, we are 100% gonna win. I mean, 170. Bro, look behind you. You noob. You baby. You little baby. Spend all its money on a Huggy Wuggy skin. Yeah. You have an RPG. Bro. How do you have an RPG? Savage squad. Come on. Jab it. Duh. Let's go with my sawed off. No, I'm not a baby like those guys. I'm here with the cool kids on battle. I can go here. No. Just Chicken Eater. Did they kill him? I don't know. Chicken Eater. Spend all his money on a Huggy Wuggy skin. Ah! a chainsaw. I'm gonna shoot you with my sawed off. Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. And yes, win. Oh, we have other modes. Yes. What's guns? Oh, it's the shop. You get skins. Oh, nice. You can get ice. I don't know. Apply. I can get eyes. I'm gonna buy. I wanna buy. Buy these shoes. Okay, let's get a hat. Let's get a top hat. Then we can get a beak. Look at this long beak. And this thing. And this and that. This. Oh, oh, nice. So this is my chicken buddy. My chicken. Let's play another match. My name is Pantry Rooster. Oh no. General boss. Let's shoot boss. I'm gonna throw a bomb at you. Boss. Bro, he has a zapper. Oh, you look like a boss. That's, I don't know. I'm just gonna call you Bob. Oh. Bro, I'm not going into battle. Ow! That hurt. That's a zapper. I'm just gonna leave. And play another match because it's boring. It's a boring ass game. Doodle do. Oh, let's go into battle. What map is this? Okay. You know, you get an airplane. Oh, it's a helicopter. A helicopter. Helicopter. Oh, is that the same guy? Okay. I'm not funny. I'm just gonna jump out. And yes. What? I broke the game. Yeah, I broke the game. I'm just gonna. What's racing? Select car. Let's do the Lamborghini. Bro, look at this. How did they have a white Lamborghini? I don't know. Look at all the cars. Oh. 3, 2, 1, go! Gas! Bro! Oh, this is racing mode. I like this. Can't touch the lava. It's gonna kill us. What's this? I don't know what that is. It's a horn. For people. Okay. Okay. You gotta complete 3 laps. That guy just fell in front of my eyes. You have Batman. What's Bet? Who is Batman? No, Batman. We have a guy named Chicken and Boss Yo and Lamo. No, Batman. No. Okay, well, I failed. Bro, Batman and that young man. I don't know. Also, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I have 131 subscribers. I'm sorry. Plus, this game you can download it on iPhone and on iOS. I mean, you can download this game on iOS and Android. It was like super fun. No, 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 no. Antion. I'm a fall on my fear. The boss, and Russian guy name, guy, Basio Lamau. Yeah, Basio Lamau. No! What the hell? What? I'm upside down. Okay, I fell. My allergies.